Hey guys, welcome to Greeting in Cooking. This channel caters to only Indian food and we are here in the second series Snack Attack. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and relatives. And in the Snack Attack, we are going to see today Mumbai's Dabeli. For making the dabeli, you need boiled potato 4, pav buns, onion 1 number, green chilies 3, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, coriander seeds 1/4 tablespoon, cumin 1/2 tablespoon, fennel 1/4 tablespoon, red chilies 4, cinnamon 1/2 inch, clove 4 and salt to taste. Let's see how to make this wonderful street food recipe. Into a dry pan, I've added 1 inch of cinnamon stick and red chilies, cloves, fennel seeds and cumin seeds. First we are going to dry roast all these ingredients, and then when it comes to a smoking point, then we are going to add the coriander seeds. So as I tell always, Indian cooking is all about timing and adding right ingredients at the right time. So these ingredients which I put right now will take more time to fry, and now I've added the coriander seeds, which again I'm going to dry roast along with the other ingredients. If you are actually frying the coriander seeds first, it will give a pungent taste and the smell, the aroma of the coriander seeds will get dissolved. So we do not want that, and obviously the more roasting of masalas will give a bitter taste to the any ingredient, any masala we are going to make, and the dish will be totally spoiled. So we do not want that to happen. So we are adding masalas in each stage, and we are going to dry roast this, and we are going to coarsely ground it and keep it after it gets cooled down. Can you see the smokes coming out of all these ingredients? So now this is the right point. Now into a pan I've added oil, into which I'm going to make the tadka. So I boiled the potato again, and I have slit the green chilies and kept. So into the hot pan I have added green chilies, and into that I have added the coarsely ground dabeli mixture. Do not make it into a fine powder, because the texture of each ingredient when you bite it actually has to come out. So you add it, or you may grind it into a coarse powder only. And now after frying this, we are going to add the turmeric powder, and we are going to roast it again. So remember to keep the flame low. We do not want burning of all these masalas. Either ways you can off the gas, that's not a problem at all. If the oil is too hot, just add the masalas and then you can switch off the gas. Then in the meantime you can peel up the potato and mash it and keep it, so that while adding it will be easy. So that's how the time management is done. So now I have added the ginger garlic paste also, and I'm going to roast it. So after we add all these ingredients, we are going to add the mashed potato. See, dabeli is typically a street food of Mumbai, wherein pav, vada pav, or anything with pav, pav bhaji, vada pav or dabeli, everything is had with pav, which is a Portugal food which came through Portuguese to Goa to Mumbai. So that is how the travel of buns happened, and this is a typical street food because Mumbaikars are very busy in their life, so they need something to just munch it while they are on the travel. So they will just pick up one vada pav or this dabeli and they just kill the hunger. So now I have added the mashed potato also. To this we are going to add salt and mix it thoroughly, and to make it buttery we are going to add some little bit of water. Don't make it so watery, because we are not going to make any sabji or pav bhaji. We are just going to make a mushy buttery texture so that it is easily applicable on the pav buns. Mumbaikars usually have a lot of carb items because they need that instant energy while they are traveling. So, and that will actually compensate the busy schedule also. So while I'm doing that, actually I've added the salt also, and I'm going to mix it thoroughly and make it into a mushy consistency. So now we have mixed thoroughly all the ingredients. I'm going to add a little bit of water and mix it thoroughly so that it will be buttery while applying. So there are so many combinations actually you can make in dabeli. You can, main part is assembling all these mushy things and then make it into a snacky item. So I'll show you how I'm going to assemble this. As I told you, I have added now water and made it into a buttery consistency. Can you see that potato has absorbed all the water which I poured, and then it become a buttery texture. Now we are going to toast the buns with a little bit of butter. Do not make it crispier, it has to be soft. And just if you have laddi pav, like these are sweet buns actually which I've got in the market, but if you are getting the laddi pav, which is actually the saltier vada pav thing, it will taste much better and tastier. And while toasting it, remember, do not put lot of butter in it. It is not pav bhaji buns, friends, it is the dabeli bun, so it has to just have the tinge of taste of butter, that is it. And just toast it on both the sides, because we do not want it to become crispier. And that is it, this is enough. See the color, I have not make it brown or something, I just toasted a little bit. That is it, just remove it. And then we will fry the other pav buns also, and I'll show you how to assemble this. I've added a little bit of butter, and to that I'm going to add the buns. And as I told you earlier, just toast it on both the sides and then take it away. That's it, both the buns are now fried. I'll show you how to assemble this right now. To assemble this, I have got peanuts, I have got the toasted buns, I have got red chili and garlic chutney. You can buy it from mother's recipe or you can make it at home. If you want the recipe for that, please comment, I'll let you know how to make the chutney. Now I have taken the stuffing and I have applied on the buns. I have taken the onions, raw onions, and as I told you, you can add anything. Today I have taken masala peanuts and little bit of dhabeli masala, because in my family they like the masala more. So and I have taken the little more of this stuffing, because they need lot of stuffing, and you just have to roll this inside the save which I have kept. So as I told you, you can add any type of namkeen, you just need a crunch while you're biting it. So this is the way I have assembled an authentic dabeli, but you can, as I told you, cheese can be spread. You can make it into a pizza dabeli also. Along with this potato mash, you can actually add capsicum, raw onions and tomatoes, make it into a sandwich. This is typically, I would say, an Indian sandwich which they have created. This is the original dabeli which they used to make earlier times. Now there are so many variations to this dabeli according to the current taste buds and current situations, what all ingredients you get. Along with it, they make it. So you can make any type of dabeli, and that is your own wish. You can add umpteen vegetables, how much ever you want, and whatever vegetables, as I told you, I usually do this way. If my daughter doesn't like any veggies, I'll just grate it and add it to the dabeli or any paratha, anything. And that is the beauty of an Indian cooking actually. There are so many ways that you can incorporate the hidden vegetables. That is it, guys. The dabeli is ready, and you can have it with the green chutney or just a simple sauce. I'm sure that you all will like my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. We are growing bigger and bigger. Thank you.